Hold it steady. Help me, please. My dog, my dog.
Yes, I understand.
I understand. Send all available units immediately.
We must go for rescue now. We must go for rescue now. Help, over here. They're out there.
We've got a visual on the target. Subject is still active.
Hold your ground.
Take the shot! Pull the net! Hold it steady! We almost have it.
Good. All secured and ready for transport.
Copy that. Confirming all safety protocols are met.
Move it slowly. Watch the tail. Almost there.
Easy now, you're gonna be just fine.
Jason picked us up.
Based on the x-rays, it appears to be a hairline fracture.
Yes, the swelling is consistent with that. You are such a good boy. It's okay, you are doing so well.
I'm trying to get that ice cream. Just a little pinch now.
He will make a full recovery.
Good boy. You're doing so well.
He's made a full recovery.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Hi, my boy. I missed you so much. Good boy. Yes, you are.
Good boy, you did so well.
We're all so proud.
You performed your duty with exceptional bravery and unwavering loyalty.
Well, it was a harrowing experience, and I am just so grateful for him. He really is my hero.
Thank you again so much.
It's our pleasure, really.
We were happy to help.
Thank you for your continued dedication.
It's an honor to serve our community.
Good boy. You're doing so well.
Good boy. You're such a good boy.
We are here today to dedicate this plaque in honor of a truly heroic rescue.
Good boy. It's okay. You got this.